Starting a business is a big dream for many people. Some want to sell products online, some want to offer services, and some want to turn their skills into income. But when people hear the word like LLC, registration, legal process, or state rules, they feel confused and scared. Many beginners stop before even they starting because they think it is too complicated. In this video, I want to remove that fear completely. I will explain everything and a very basic way so anyone can understand. And LLC is one of the safest and most popular way to start a business in Pennsylvania. It is suitable for beginners, small business owners, freelancers, and online entrepreneurs, and even the people who is starting from home. And you don't need to be a legal expert or business professional. You just need to understand the process properly, and I will help you to do that in this video. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you understand important business topics like registrations, tools, and smart ways to grow your income. In the description, I have shared a helpful service link that can make the LLC process much easier and less stressful. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description, because by using that link, any available discount or special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's slowly move to the main part of the video and understand how to start an LLC in Pennsylvania from the very beginning. First, let's clearly understand what an LLC actually is and why it matters. LLC means Limited Liability Company. This means your business becomes a separate legal identity. In simple words, you and your business are not the same thing legally. If your business ever has a problem like debt or legal issues, your personal money is separated and it's very protected. Now, this includes your savings, your personal bank account, your own or your personal property. This protection is one of the biggest reasons people choose an LLC. Another good thing about LLC is that the flexibility. You can run it alone or with the partners. Now you can manage it from your home or online. So it is also looks professional when you deal with clients, customers, or payment platforms. Many payment services and marketplaces prefer working with the registered business instead of individual. By using the description link, simply you will be on this page. Click on here, form an LLC. Now here, choose your LLC state here. So we are going to start a LLC in Pennsylvania. So let's select the Pennsylvania here and click on this get started. Now get a name for your business. So just write your business name here and click on this continue to see if it is available or not. So let's say this is our business name and I'm just clicking on continue. So luckily this name is available, and here they are saying to choose an industry related to our business. So in this case, I will go with the marketing, and you just select which fits for your business and click on next. Where are you in your business journey? Okay, so it depends on yourself. From here, choose any of these which fits for your business. It depends on your business. In this case, I'm just going with this, taking the first step and click on next. Have you formed or run a business before? So if this is your first time, go with that. If you are experienced, you can go with that. So as a beginner guide, I will go with this first time. Now click on next. How many owners will your LLC have? From these three of these options, choose one which fits for you. And I don't know in my case, so I will go with this. I don't know yet. And clicking next. Let's build your free tailored business plan. Okay, so if you want to get a business plan, then you can go with that. I want to go with this. I don't need a business plan. If you want, then you can choose. Again, I'm just selecting this one and clicking next. Now here you have to create your account, and for that just write your first name, last name, and your phone number, your email and password. And if you want to go with the Google, then you can continue with Google, or if you have already an account, then you can simply log in here. Since I don't have any account, so I'm just creating my account by filling the all information here. Okay, I'm done with all of the information and clicking next. Our account is created. Now here they are asking for some extra services. So first of all, they are asking for the EIN, which is Employer Identification Number, and obviously I will go with this. Help me to get my EIN. Now scroll down and click on next. Keep your good standing status in Pennsylvania with your annual compliance. Again, I will go with this, keep my LLC compliant, and if you want then you can handle by yourself, but I will not suggest that. So select the keep my LLC compliant for the easier and professional work and scroll down and clicking on next. Now here elevate your professional image with our branding toolkit. So if you want the toolkit of the Taylor brands, you can go with that, like the logo, website and the online store, but it will charge you more. So in this case, maybe I want to go with this. I don't want the toolkits, and clicking next. Next thing is get up and running 7x faster with our filing service that allow your documents to reach the Secretary of State office within 2 business days. So obviously it will charge you more. If you want then you can go with this, but I will go with this option. I can wait for the 2 weeks or more than 14 days. I scroll down and click on next. Now customize your LLC ownership structure, profits and liabilities, management and operational guidelines. Minimize the future conflicts by setting your own rules instead of relying on default state laws. Again, I will suggest you to go with this one, get my operating agreement, but if you want to figure it yourself then you can go with this. Now scroll down and click on next. Now a business bank account will help you to manage your finance in the US even if you are not there physically. So you have a business bank account. So if you don't have any account then you can create one and it costs you nothing and no minimum account balance, you can see here. But I will go with this, I don't need an account, then I'm just clicking next. Now here you can see all of this preview or overview here, what we are selected and not, and you can see based on our selection it automatically chooses a plan. So if you want to change the plan, just click on this, see other plan, and here you can change the plans. So Taylor Brands has some kind of plans here, but I will suggest you to go with this one, the essential $199 per year, which has the feature like the legal compliance, business coaching, or if you want a more premium one then you can go with this Elite option. But for this video I'm going to select this one, the light plan, and you can see all of this overview here, and if you want to change anything then you can do that. After that just simply click on this continue to payment, and here you have 2 options, card or PayPal. You just need to choose a payment method. In this case I will go with this card option. Now here you have to fill out all of these details of your card so that you can easily make your payment. Okay, so I am done with filling all of these card details here, and just simply click on this pay with card and you are done. The link is in the description. If you want then you can use it too, and it can save you both time and effort. Now starting an LLC in Pennsylvania is not just about the speed, it is about doing things correctly. So take your time, understand each step and build a strong foundation. A properly formed LLC gives you confidence, protection and long-term stability for your business. Now before we finish, let me remind you one thing, that every successful business starts with a clear first step. So forming an LLC is that step. It separates your personal life from your business life and prepares you for the growth. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this guide helped you to understand the process, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to make your LLC journey easier. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused and keep building your future. Bye bye.